Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Now I read few ayahs more in relation to find out who's Israel. These are the Bani Israel. Allah is addressing to Bani Israel, the children of Israel. Who is Israel? Now in Surah Al-Isra 7, 2 and 3 verse, وَآتَيْنَا مُوسَى الْكِتَابِ وَجَعَلْنَاهُ هُدًى لِبَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ أَلَّا تَتَّخِذُوا مِن دُونِي وَكِيلًا. We gave Musa al-Kitab, the book, and we made it a guidance for Bani Israel, children of Israel, that you do not take an advocate other than me. Now who are the children of Israel is mentioned in the next verse. Zurriyata man hamalna ma'a Nuh innahu kana abdan shakura. Children of Israel are the offsprings whom we carried with Nuh. Surely he was thankful servant. Bani Israel or the children of Israel, where they originated. Nuh alayhi salam and his believers, Nuh alayhi salam delivered the message. I am telling you in my own words. Nuh alayhi salam delivered the message. There were people who followed Nuh alayhi salam and there were people who did not follow. So those who followed, Allah gives a message to Nuh alayhi salam that you make a ship, and in that ship there will be you take some pairs and some people, and the rest who do not believe will be drowned in the sea. The believers who were with Nuh alayhi salam were taken upon the ship, and Nuh alayhi salam's wife and Nuh alayhi salam's son did not board the ship. This was a ship of believers. Everyone was on them was believers. On that ship was not Nuh alayhi salam's wife and neither his son. So because he was not a believer. Zurriyata man hamalna ma'a Nuh means from the offsprings who were with the Nuh alayhi salam's people, Nuh alayhi salam and his people, from their offsprings came the children of Israel. So who is Israel? Israel is the person or the group of people who was with Nuh alayhi salam and the believers on the ship. From their offsprings came the children of Israel. From the offsprings of the Nuh alayhi salam and his people, from the beginning, the children of Israel came. You understand what I'm saying? It says Zurriyata, Zurriyat means offsprings. Bani Israel, children of Israel are the offsprings whom we carried with the Noah's ark. So Noah's ship and the believers who were with Noah Islam, they were together, and they are the Israeli, and from their offsprings or the progeny or the genealogy, these children of Israel came into the world. So we can understand that these children of Israel are those people who were in the believers, Noah Islam and his people, and in the ship. They are from their offsprings is the children of Israel. So in the Bible, Isaac had a son Yaqub. Yaqub had a fight with God Almighty. He got the title, and this is Israel. Quran says about Nuh alayhi salam, Adam, again Nuh, and from Noah's people, believers' people came from the progeny of them came this children of Israel.
It is very tangible from your spirit awakening lecture that the Muslims are the children of Israel, but the Muslims are fully aware of lawful and unlawful. So why the Israel made lawful and unlawful?
Okay. You see, I will translate for people who have not understood Surah Al-Imran 3 and Ayah 93. I will explain what the question was. If the present day children of Israel are the Muslims, this question is because we have come to know that the present day children of Israel are the Muslims. So he's asking that the ayah in the Quran, Israel made lawful food unlawful. When we all know what is lawful and unlawful in the world. So the ayat that you were referring to, Surah Al Imran 393, Kullu ta'ami kana hillal li bani Israel. All food was lawful for the children of Israel. Illa ma harrama Israelu ala nafsi. Except what Israel made forbidden on his soul. Min qabli an tunazzala Tawrah. Before the revelation of the Torah. Qul fa'atu bit Tawrah. Come with the Torah. Fatluha and recite it. In kuntum sadiqin, if you are speaking the truth. Now the question was that we Muslims know what is lawful and unlawful, and by that law, if children of Israel also know what is lawful and unlawful, why Israel made unlawful? This is the question, and this is we have to understand. Now all the food that is mentioned in the Quran, which is lawful food, is mentioned. There is a different topic. What are the lawful food and unlawful food? The lawful food, in generally speaking, I'm just giving you in general speaking, in Surah Al-An'am, the cattle. Those animals, there's cattle, you understand? Cattle like cow, goat, sheep, goats, and even this camels. They are all cattle. They come in the category of An'am, Al-An'am, Surah An'am. So in that An'am is mentioned the cattle, and the pairs are also mentioned the cattle. So they are the lawful food. They are the lawful animals. You can say they are the lawful animals that can be eaten all over the world. Now the ayah says that all food was lawful for the children of Israel. This same I'm talking about. This cattle was lawful for the children. People know, we are Muslims, we know children of Israel know this. It's lawful for the children of Israel. Except what Israel made unlawful on himself before the revelation of the Torah, the law. This Israel made unlawful. So we have to understand who are the Israel. Sorry? Who is Israel? Group of people? Huh? Yeah. So in the Surah 17:3, Zuriyata man hamalna ma'nu. Israel are those people who are the offspring who were carried with the Noah's ark. So you understand what happened. I will read that ayah again. Kullu ta'ami kana hillal li bani Israel illa ma harrama Israel ala nafsis. Except what Israel made unlawful over himself. Min qabli an tunazzala Tawrat. Before the revelation of the Torah, the law. So what is the Torah, the law? In the law, the Torah contains the law. وَكَيْفَ يُحَكِّمُونَكَ وَعِنْدَهُمُ التَّوْرَةُ. And how can they govern you? They have got in the nearest Torah, the law. In the Torah, فِيهَا حُكْمُ اللَّهِ. In the Torah is the hukum of Allah. So in the Torah is the governance of Allah. So the law contains what is lawful and what is unlawful. The Torah, the law contains what is lawful and what is unlawful. So when you will hear the lecture on what is halal, lawful food and unlawful food, then you will come to know what is halal and what is unlawful. So here it says, Qul fatu bit Tawrah fatluha. You bring the Torah, the law, and recite it in kuntum sadiqin, if you are speaking the truth. So what I was referring to, how Israel made unlawful on himself before the revelation of the Torah. All food was lawful on children of Israel, all Anam was lawful. Except what he made unlawful. Those are those specific people who board on the ship with two pairs of every kind. This is the answer.
We have concluded that Israel are the Zurriyatan man hamalna ma Nuh. They are the offspring of those who were with Nuh alayhi salam. The verse that you just read now, earlier on in answering the last questioner, was Illa ma harrama ala Isra'ila, sorry.
Ala nafsi.
Ala nafsi. Now nafsi, he
Singular.
is singular. So this, why would it be singular if Israel are a number of people?
You can take Adam as a plural and as a singular in the Quran.
Okay.
So take one also, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
And in Surah 19, which we read earlier on,
Zuriyat Ibrahim Israel.
yes.
So,
over there also,
yeah, I will read this for you. 58. It says, "Ulaika alladhina an'ama Allahu alayhim min an-nabiyyin min dhurriyyati Adam." Now, this is from the prophets. Allah has blessed from the prophets. Then is from the children of Adam or the offsprings of Adam. Okay. Wa mimman hamalla ma'nu. To whom we carried. This is the Allah blessed. From whom Allah carried. Noah alayhi salam, whom Allah blessed them. Wa min dhurriyyati Ibrahim. And he also blessed from the offsprings of Ibrahim and from the offspring of Israel. You see, from the offspring of Israel is also blessed, and whom he carried, they are also blessed. They are two separate, not same.
okay, if we, now in this verse, mimman hamalna ma'nu,
Yeah.
this category of people is Israel,
Yeah.
Israel,
Yeah.
and Zurriyat Israel is separate.
Yeah. Yeah. But you know, it's just like that, look like this, looks like this. But you see, Wamin Duriyati Ibrahim wa Israel. The Zuriyat is also applying on Israel. So this is referring to Zuriyat Israel is also blessed, and whom Allah carried with the Noah's Ark, Israel, they are also blessed.
Okay, thank you.